We are in a period of change. Not only in Ontario, but you're seeing it the world over, is the issue of climate change.
You can't rely on old methods or old ways of doing business. 2 decades ago, we had one monopoly organization that both produced electricity and delivered electricity.
We would have primarily been looking at gas plants, coal plants, nuclear generation, large-scale hydro. That's all changing now.
We're now in a situation where we have all different types of non-emitting renewable resources that are starting to produce and contribute to meeting Ontario's electricity needs. You know, it's not enough just to keep abreast of that change. You've got to embrace it and you've got to be ready to deal with it.
The IESO is in a unique position because we do really sit at the center or at the heart of the electricity industry in Ontario. We're relied upon to be the energy experts. So we need to look out 20 years and decide, what's the demand for electricity going to look like 20 years from now? And then we build plans on that. We're trying to make sure that as we design a new market, that we're being agnostic to technological choices. Whoever has the best price comes in. But we've also got to be mindful of impacts on clean air. We can direct funds to these technologies that we think are developing, will add value. And so we've been funding, flywheel projects, looking at compressed air storage. We've proven through this pilot we did with Electra, which is called this Powerhouse program. You can have a solar panel on your roof, you can have a battery in your garage, you can take the solar energy, store it in your garage, use it yourself for your own needs, potentially even use that to sell back into the grid, be a participant. You go from just a passive consumer to being this concept of a prosumer. You produce and you consume at the same time.
What we're doing is looking at helping communities meet their own needs. I look at the First Nations communities, the community energy plans that we've helped develop to improve the quality of life there, and they're getting comfort in their homes. We're helping them become more efficient and doing so, enhancing that home environment, if you will.
The future is unknown, but I think it's full of opportunity out there. By playing a leadership role in this change in our sector, enabling the innovation, it has potential to fundamentally alter how Ontario looks in the future.